Hello everyone, just would like to share this do-it-yourself bike stand which with just a few welding, repainting, so na-complete na yung bike stand for today's project. So this comes with a clamp, so it comes with a rubberized here pad and a quick release, quick lock clamp, and then you can adjust to this butterfly nut depending on the tube size sa ng frame of your bike. I'd like to show you on how to use this one. So it will be quick. If you have a bike like this, then all you need to do is place your bike and then clamp. That's it. So you can do cleaning, you can do fine tuning sa mga gears, lubrication, then you can actually take out any of the parts on your bike. Okay, it's good for setup. So you can take out any of the parts like this one. I would like to take out the wheel. Stable naman yung bike stand here. So balik natin. So to take out your bike, simple lang. All you need to do is release the clamp and then take out your bike. There. Okay, so DIY bike repair stand.